Hello everyone. So today we're going to work on the craft for making little mittens. Because right now it's January and it's snowy and cold and everyone loves a good pair of mittens. So we're going to make some today. This is what they will look like at the end. So what you should be getting in your craft kits is a paper with some mittens on there. And you should get 6 little cotton balls and some pieces of paper that we're going to be able to fit in to our little mitten molds. All right, so let's put, and what you'll need is some scissors as well and some glue for the cotton balls. I just have some clear glue here to dip and kind of put them on the cuffs of the mittens to kind of show that they're nice and fluffy and warm. But you can find other ways to attach them if you want, but we'll leave those for a little bit. I also have a glue stick for my paper. So what we're going to do is we're going to find where these fit. So I believe this one belongs right here to this piece. So it's kind of like a little puzzle. And so I'm just going to put some glue in those lines and add my little puzzle piece. Just like that. And then I should have one kind of shaped like this, which I believe is right there. And if it doesn't fit right, like if I had it like that, you can always flip them over. That's kind of the cool thing about doing it like this. Okay, so I'm gonna add some glue to this section now and add my little piece of my mitten. I just wish this would come off the paper and warm my hands, because that would be awesome. And then we have a tip of the mitten right there, which I think I'm going to use this fun pink color right there. And then we have a tip of the thumb as well. So I'm going to add some glue there and place one there. So I think we should stop and count how many pieces of paper we put on our mitten over here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 little pieces. All right, and let's do this one. So I've got this fun shape, which I believe turns like this to form this. And so I'm gonna add some glue. Just like that. And put that right where it belongs. Just like that. And then I have this fun squiggly one, which kind of looks like it goes just right there, doesn't it? So I'm gonna add my glue. And line that up right there. And just like the other side, I've got a tip of the mitten and a tip of the thumb. So for the tip of the mitten, I got a fun blue color. And for the tip of the thumb, I have the same red. All right, how many pieces of paper did we put on this other mitten? 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you think of my mittens? I think they're pretty cool. The other thing that you can do, which I don't have for this video right now, is you can color in all of these other sections. Miss Margaret did a phenomenal job on her mittens, and you can see that they're bright and colorful. And you can do the exact same with your mittens. Just get some crayons or markers or whatever you want and color in the other spaces. So now we need to do our fuzzy cuffs. So you're going to take your 6 cotton balls and you're actually going to have to cut them in half. So I'm just going to cut 3 of these in half real quick. And then I'm going to take my little glue cup and I'm just going to dip it in, get some of that excess off, and lay them down exactly where you think the little soft part of the mitten goes. Just like that. And it gets a little messy, but that's why we use glue. That's easy to wash off. And you just keep going around the cuff. Like that. And you can see I've got cuff up there and right up here as well. And look at that. Doesn't that look nice and warm? That little mitten? Okay, so I took, so here's what we're gonna do. So I take 3 cotton balls and I'm gonna cut each of them in half. And how many little pieces of cotton balls am I left with at the end of doing this? Alright, so I had 3 cotton balls. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. 6 pieces of cotton ball. Isn't that kind of cool how that happens? Okay, so now time to glue our other mitten. And we're just gonna go and make our mitten nice and toasty warm. Because we gotta go out and play in all that snow that we got. And how can we do that without nice warm mittens?